Hey there, everybody. This is Caitlin McDonald with the Social Speak Network, and the countdown is on. On Wednesday, I will be kicking off 31 days to starting and growing a freelancing business that allows you to thrive. So what does this mean? Each day over the next 31 days, starting on Wednesday, I will be diving in to our 31-day guide to starting your freelancing business. Now, if you're like me, I just kind of fell into freelancing. I didn't realize it would turn into a business that would help support me and my family and allow me to spend the past 5 weeks, for example, in New Hampshire with my family. Today's actually my nephew's birthday party, and I've been here the past 2 years for his birthday. So it's really powerful what freelancing can do for you, and we've put together this guide to help you through the steps of making sure that your business and the clients that you have understand your values, are working with you because of your why, and that your services really align with your passions and your expertise. So each day we go through one of the lessons and we dive deeper into the questions that you should be asking yourself. We have a guide as well that goes through this on socialspeaknetwork.com, first-month. And here you can either download the free version or a paid version that follows the sequence that I'll be going through with these videos. Now, the videos aren't going to be on for long. We will have them live for about a month each, so through September for some of them. And you will have the opportunity to work with us as we go through this. So please leave some comments below so that we can make sure that we answer your questions on each of the specific topics. So back to when I started my business, no idea it was turning into a business. Then finally, I started to incorporate my values into what we do. I figured out my why, worked really on making sure that my services were aligning with my expertise and my passions to keep me motivated to keep on moving forward. What happened? I started working with clients who valued the services that I could provide and wanted to pay me my worth. So even if you already have your freelance business, this is a great way to reassess those steps that you've already taken and make little tweaks here and there. If you haven't started a business, awesome. Make sure that you are jumping in and igniting your passion to work with clients that want to work with you and jobs that are fulfilling to you, as well as so beneficial and transformative for your clients. So we go through talking again about your values, your passion, your expertise, your why, and then diving into what are those services? Who are your ideal target market? Who's your ideal target market? Who are the referral partners that you can partner with to consistently get qualified leads who already know your value? How do you position yourself as an industry expert right off the gate and showcase your expertise? How do you then continue communicating and providing value to your network? And so all of these things are things that you can set up within the first 31 days. So please, if you're watching this on Facebook, follow our page. We will be posting these there. If you are on YouTube, click subscribe. All of these videos will be posted on YouTube as well. So we want to make sure that you don't miss any of them and that you can follow us through. Again, these videos aren't going to be online for long, so we want to make sure that you get notified the day that they come out. We also, as I mentioned, have the companion workbook, which is for sale on our website, and a free guide that you can print out as well that has links to more information. So I can't wait to see you and get to know you and your business and your dreams and your passion over the next 31 days as we transform your life to include more freedom and flexibility. Again, my name is Caitlin McDonald with the Social Speak Network, and I will see you tomorrow.